Hello, David Dominesi here. This is the second part of the spark arrestor for the big old grinder. Okay, we're going to use the Tormach Superfly. Carbide insert, 3/4 inch straight shank. So we're going to have to put a 3/4 inch collet in the machine. Boy, that looks good. Buddy, I think the one you made looks better than mine.
Yeah.
Made some good chips. Nice and blue. Beautiful chips. Alright, we got to get our Superfly out and put our 4-flute high-speed steel end mill in. Kodiak, made in the USA. Alright, we've got to get our RPM down to about 750 or so. 1/2 inch end mill, high-speed steel, 100 surface feet per minute for our carbon. Noga carbide de burr. How'd you learn all this stuff?
Experience.
Alright, we got to get that 1/2 inch end mill out of there because we're going to mill the ends of these brackets now, and that end mill won't go down far enough, so we'll use this long 3/4 inch. Got to put a 3/4 inch collet in. Alright, I've decided these are a little bit too long. I'm going to hack off 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch or so. Woohoo! Alright, we're going to use the disc sander and round off the edges. We're going to clean the surface plate. We have to do some layout on our brackets. We'll use denatured alcohol. Lint free. You can clean a surface plate, go away for an hour and come back and clean it again, and your cloth will be dirty. I mean, look at that. Okay, now we got our Dykem Blue on, but we need to pull out our Curt Precision Dykem Blue dryer. You can pick these up at McMaster-Carr. Our height gauge out. This is a special gauge. They have height gauges and height gauges. I like to use the height gauge. Alright, now we've taken and slid our angle plate on, and we'll take our work with the Dykem Blue, and that'll sit there. And we need to lay out for our slots. Okay, our height is 2 inches and 82 thousandths. So we'll find the center of that. Okay, we took our 2 and 82 thousandths. We did the machining math, and we came up with our answer 1 and 41 thousandths. Okay, we're up to 1 inch, and now we'll use our fine feed and see if we can get it to 41. We didn't have enough travel. Let's move something. Okay. Now on to 41. We got to be very precise, because this is my grinder after all. Looks good to me. Okay, we're going to scribe the center lightly. Okay, half of that is 520 thousandths. Technically didn't need to make a scribe line in the center, but I did it because it's fun. Now we'll flip it over. Alright, we've got everything scribed out to make the slots. The slot will go from here to here, and likewise on down the line. The plan is to use these socket head cap screws. They're threaded at 3/8 16, and clearance hole is 3/8. So our slot will be 3/8. This is not rocket science we're talking about here. We're not building the space shuttle. So that's close enough for finding our scribe line. And now we'll have to move half of the distance of our end mill. Our end mill is a 3/8 end mill, so we got to go 187 thousandths. That ought to do it. Let's get the end mill in here and make that slot. We're just going to slot it this way, and we'll use this scribe line as a visual to stop. It's just a bracket. Sounds great. Okay, we've made our plunge cut. Now we can slot. Okay, we got those done. We'll have to use the Noga and deburr. Get in there with a file, finish everything up, make it look good. Okay, that's the end of part 2. When we come back, we need to turn these into our brackets. Thanks for watching. David Dominesi, see you next time.